Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing well. I just wanted to touch base with you. I just finished my latest tutorial. It's lemons. There it is. So I just finished that. I have a class on my tutorial platform, Thinkific, for $35, and there's also bundle packages. If you purchase classes in a bundle, you save money. But these are traditional acrylic paintings, teaching you how to paint traditionally with a brush and just the concept and basics of painting with acrylic, learning complementary colors of each other and shading and perspective and that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoy checking it out. Please do share it with somebody. If you know somebody that wants to learn how to paint, please share it with them. And I hope if I get this uploaded before my live auction, if not, this will be right after my auction. So I hope you're able to join me there. And also, if you're in my Facebook group, or if you're not, please come join the Facebook group. There is a post there that's pinned to the top in the announcements. And I reached 10,000 members in my Facebook group, and I'm giving away a free 16 by 20 painting that Jill Jackson, who is Sister Earthification on YouTube, and she's my moderator in my group, she did a pour and then I embellished it. Look at this beauty. It's very colorful, and I painted a set of gold angel wings that kind of turned into a dream catcher kind of feel, and it also represents a heart, which represents my heart and love to share with everybody, and especially my Facebook group. So here's the painting. It's beautiful, and next Friday on March 6th we will be giving away this free painting to someone in the Facebook group as a winner. So stay tuned for that. Also, I've reopened my Etsy shop, and go check that out and see what's left on my Etsy shop. I'll add little bits and pieces here and there. So y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.